Hey you guys, Kim Cho. Welcome back to my channel Pretty Little. I'm Drishti Surti and I'm back with the part 2 video of Ever Stylish Haul. So as I told you in my previous video that I have ordered more stuff from Ever Stylish, so again, so here let's begin. Without any further ado, let's actually jump into the video. So let's start with the first item. So the first item is star shaped hoops with a twist of star shape and काफ़ी फैंसी लग रहा है राइट ऑल्सो ये काफ़ी लाइट वेट है एंड सबसे अच्छी बात इसको पहनने पर हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि हमने कुछ पहना है ऑल्सो इट्स जस्ट दैट स्टील सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग इट्स इन गोल्डन कलर और ये बहुत डेलिकेट एंड थिन है जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हो ये काफ़ी पतला है लेट मी क्विकली वेयर इट एंड शो इट टू यू गाइस सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर वेराइटी इसमें काफ़ी सारी पैटर्न्स एंड शेप्स अवेलेबल है सो डेफिनेटली चेक देम आउट एंड दिस वुड लुक परफेक्ट ऑन वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स एंड यू नो वॉट इट्स प्राइस्ड एट ₹99 ओनली बट इसकी इनिशियल प्राइस $699 है सो इट्स वेरी इनएक्सपेंसिव एंड आई वुड डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट दिस सो आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं कुछ बताना चाहूँगी वेरी रिसेंटली आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड कॉल न्यूट्री और it's one of the best organic food brand company in India. Also, its motto is nature's way to wellness. So the products are organic rose water, aloe vera juice, amla juice, apple cider vinegar and honey. All the products are 100% natural and without any preservatives. Talking about amla juice first. Amla is the ultimate fruit that helps in hair growth. It's rich in vitamin C. It's good for heart, boost immunity, balance digestive system, it's high in antioxidant and it's good for eyes, skin and hair. So अब बात करते हैं एलोवेरा जूस के बारे में. एलोवेरा जूस is a natural blood purifier, keeps blood sugar level in check, helps to detoxify the body. क्या आपको पता है एप्पल साइडर विनेगर was a popular home remedy back in the days. It helps in reducing cholesterol and weight loss and it has a magic ingredient which is called as acetic acid. रोज़ वाटर के बारे में कौन नहीं जानता इट्स अ मल्टीपर्पज़ प्रोडक्ट इट कैन बी यूज इन वेरियस वेज हनी इज यूज एज एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी एंड एंटी बैक्टीरियल एजेंट यू कैन रिप्लेस हनी विद शुगर एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन हीलिंग वुंड्स So coming back to jewelry haul and talking about the next earring is this is called as twisted hoop earring ये काफ़ी छोटी सी है as you can see currently golden jewelries are much more in the trend so आज का सारी jewelries golden color में ही है so let me quickly wear it and show it to you guys this is how it looks after wearing और ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी I really liked it एंड जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि आजकल में ज़्यादातर चीज़ें गोल्डन कलर में है सो द कलर ऑफ दिस ईयरिंग इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट इन कंपेरिजन विद ऑल अदर गोल्डन ज्वेलरीज अच्छा हाँ एक और बात दीज आर हुप्स बट नॉट रियली हुप्स बिकॉज ये एंड से ओपन है आई अटैच अ पिक्चर और अ क्लिप समथिंग सो दैट यू कैन गेट एन आइडिया अबाउट इट नाउ लास्टली टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्राइस so it's priced at ₹126 only so I think it's really nice काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल है एवर स्टाइलिश सो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज अ ब्रेसलेट एंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज गोल्डन हार्ट राइनस्टोन ब्रेसलेट इट्स अ नॉर्मल ब्रेसलेट ओनली एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक सो ये सेपरेटली भी बहुत अच्छे लगने वाला है एज यू कैन सी और यू कैन वेयर इट विद like 2-3 bracelets together or you can also wear it with watches so I think it will go well with everything also I would like to tell you one thing I didn't expected the quality to be so good at this price as you can see at the one end there is heart and on the another end there is rhinestone also it is priced at ₹98 only so इस रेट में इतना अच्छा ब्रेसलेट आपको कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला आई एम श्योर अबाउट दैट सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज द नेक पीस इट आई एम करंटली वेयरिंग इट इज कॉल्ड अ सिटीजन ऑफ ग्लोब नेक पीस and it's really very nice I loved it isn't it really beautiful and it has a simple chain with a globe detailing let me give you a closer look so that you can get an idea about it so the next product are the studs that I'm currently wearing they are very pretty and beautiful in real and these are my most favorite pair of earrings I swear by so it is called as Entangled Shimmer Golden Elegant Studs such a big name right but they are really nice it suits on formals but recently I have styled it on few of my ethnic pieces also and they were looking really well with this so I'm very happy with it it's like a statement piece I would say because it's not so big, and I wanted something small but it would look really nice. And it is priced at rupees 148, so I would say it's the most expensive piece from the entire haul, and they look really sturdy, and I'll definitely suggest to buy this. This is not a sponsored video, and in today's video I have focused on jewelries which you could wear on daily basis and on traditional as well as western. And lastly, I have not exceeded the budget of rupees 150. Yes, all the jewelries are under 150 rupees only. So finally moving towards the last jewelry of today's haul are these earrings. These are called ringlet earrings and they are made up of alloy, and this is how they look after wearing. They are perfect in the size, same as shown in the picture, and I think this can go well with both traditional as well as western, which is great, but I have not tried it yet. It has detailing of chain inside and it's priced at rupees 98 only. Yes guys, that was all for my today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and do let me know in the comments below which is your favorite jewelry from the entire haul. Also, I would attach all the links in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out, and don't forget to do all the good things. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye. See you in my next video.